Well, hello there. This is Hans, the Ramen Ranger, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got one from Bangladesh. This came from a store nearby called JD's Market in beautiful downtown Linwood, Washington. I don't know if there really is a downtown Linwood, Washington. It's all urban sprawl, but this is Mr. Noodles Spicy Tomato, or Tomato, or Tom A2 from Bangladesh, and we are going to cook that right now. How is it going? This will be review number 4,501. I got to I think yesterday I got to 4,500, I believe. Was it? What was it the day before? I don't know. They're all running together in my old age, so I'm not that old. I really aren't. I'm really not. But yeah, fun stuff. Get in there. Get in there. Don't make a fuss. Okay, 3 minutes. And so it is cold out. Didn't get any more snow. They said, oh, we're going to get more snow. We didn't get any more snow, but it hadn't gone anywhere. And it's like, I don't think it got above 24 degrees at all today here. And I went out and got some groceries, and then I went out again and got everything we're going to have for Christmas dinner, except for the rolls, because all the rolls at our freaking local grocery store, the expiration date is the 22nd. That's tomorrow. Why would I get that? Why? I noticed, like, oh wow, they got a lot of rolls. Oh. Yeah, they do have a lot of rolls, don't they? Ha! But, yeah, I'm not doing that. So, weird thing, we've got some icicles forming, and one broke off. The sun came out and got it warm enough for the thing to just kind of, like, go tink. But what's weird about it is the icicle is connected to the deck above our little patio area with a thin thread of spider web. It's really strange. I've never seen anything like that. I've never seen the like, but it'll wow you. Possibly on the outro, probably on the intro. I don't know. I've been doing a lot of intros and outros lately. But yeah, pretty snazzy. I'm excited. And it's 3:37 p.m. You're probably like, what the hell? You really gonna start reviewing now? Yeah, it's kind of late. Hopefully I've got enough sun to do this one and the next one. I've got 4 ready to go. Hopefully I can get these 2 cranked out really, 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 really fast. I made chicken. I've got a fried egg ready for the next one, which will be some pancit canton, toyomansi, which is calamansi, and soy sauce from the Philippines by Quick Chow. I really like the name of that brand. I'm hungry. Hey, have some Quick Chow. We're gonna find out how much Donald Trump paid, or didn't pay rather, for his taxes very shortly. Mind you, it's like just before Christmas for me. So if you're watching this when it actually comes out, you know, you're gonna be like, why are you talking about that old crap? But it's a while back for you, but present for me. I foresee none of these lawsuits or any of this crap is gonna deter him from saying the same crap he's been saying for the last forever. So there's that. There is that. And that is what there is. So taking the noodles. Turn the heat off. What do you call this? There's got to be I do it constantly. I've seen it done to tea bags. It was all my mom always did that with a tea bag, and when I started doing reviewing and stuff, it was like I never really questioned it, but just like right now, I'm kind of like, hey, there's got to be a term for what I'm doing here, right? I don't know. So we'll give it a stir in our Bangladesh instant noodles, spicy tomato flavor. It's a really popular flavor over there. Spicy tomato. I'll let you have a. Want to have a look? Yeah, have a look. Well, I don't know about spicy, but it has a nice tomato flavor. If you're looking for hot, spicy, mind-numbing, you are not going to find it in this variety from Bangladesh. No, sir. Not happening. Nuh-uh. But it's pretty good, mind you. Mind you, it's actually not bad at all. I'm just trying to like rip-roar through these as fast as I can. There's some chicken. We can agree that's chicken. Nini has a cough. And yeah. A little sesame seed. Yeah, sesame seed. It's supposed to be spicy. I'm gonna throw on a little bit of crushed red pepper. And this music is totally fitting. Polka music, Bangladesh, they go hand in hand. Somebody was like, dude, you're doing a Korean review and you're playing like, I don't remember what was like Greek music. It's like I just have an international mix that I've put together. Jeez, give me a break. I don't do any editing on this. No. Who do you think I am? You ever notice that mariachi music sounds extremely like polka music? Papa music? Boom, 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 boom. All that walking bass. Quick Chow, Pansy Canton, Toyomancy, Philippines. Coming up on the next episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one and bye-bye.